If you know English but freeze the moment you have to speak it. This video is literally for you because in this video I'm going to tell you the three different type of simple technique that will instantly boost your English speaking confidence because I personally use in my English journey and that is literally work. So watch till the end this video. Number three technique, the last third is very much important to enhance your English. So don't waste your ample of the time, don't waste crucial times. Let's jump on today's video. Before start this video, I just want to tell you one thing. If you are watching this video very first time, someone watching this video very first time, so don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and let's jump on today's topic. Okay, the I will divide the three different phases in that techniques. Number one technique is stop learning much more hard, start with simple. That means if you're a beginner to speak English or understand English, so whenever you try to speak in English, you don't understand the simple phrases, the perfect sentence structure, and sometimes you are fear to speak in English, right? So start with simple. That means you just need to start simple thing like simple vocabulary, simple words, simple phrases, because lot of beginners or lot of stranger they try to understand lot of difficult things or lot of critical things in one time. But you are beginner, or you don't need to much more structured sentence vocabulary and lot of hard and difficult words, right? So you don't need, just try with simple structure, like you just understand simple vocabulary, simple phrases, simple video, something whatever. Just you need to understand first simple things. Number second, difficult vocabulary, that means critical vocabulary. You don't need critical vocabulary, because you know what, lot of people they think when I try to understand difficult vocabulary or advanced vocabulary, then I feel very confident. But this is very wrong, totally wrong, because you know what, when you try to understand a difficult vocabulary, so that time you mug up easily. But after some time, when you try to speak someone, when you try to speak express yourself with someone in front of people in front of you, so that time you totally uh, you know like blank. That time you don't understand or don't remember this vocabulary. So that is the thing, you don't need initial days advanced level vocabulary, just a medium level of vocabulary you can understand or you can mug up. And just one thing is very important, just note down this vocabulary, take a piece of paper and write down this vocabulary, because this is simple technique. When you try to do this thing, just like a simple vocabulary, just like take a one vocabulary like eventually. So you don't understand this meaning of eventually, so write down this vocabulary, and in front of this vocabulary you just try to write the in your native language, try to meaning in your native language. Eventually that means शेवटी किंवा or आखिर में. So is that the meaning of this vocabulary? Okay, so and the next thing that you can do, just this vocabulary, so make the structure form. That means first try to write this vocabulary, and after try to make phrases, one particular phrase or two or three, just five or six phrases easily cover up or easily stable. So it's enough. Okay, so that is the thing you can try, uh, because this is a technique that you can understand vocabulary, so okay, you can mug up. But other than you don't understand or you don't remember the vocabulary, so this is the trick that you can use. So third is very important, very much essential for you, because I already tried this and it's a very important. The number third technique is follow someone. Because uh, when you follow someone, just like YouTuber, just like content creator or whatever, just follow that technique. Because someone they try to structure your vocabulary, structure your English grammar, structure of phrases, and whatever they have already structured form. And after they try to speak, they speak very fluently, very naturally and confidently. So that's why someone you are find out or search and try to follow. Because when you try to follow someone, after that you can gain knowledge. okay, what they are doing, what they are saying, body gesture, eye contact, feeling, expression and articulation. What is the thing that you don't have, so you can gain automatically from her, right? So this is thing. And number one is that technique. That means articulation is very important. You have some knowledge, so you are not able to express in front of people, it's a not useful, it's a total not useful, right? When you are articulate, when you can articulate in front of people, in front of you easily, so that is the knowledge that you have. Okay, so this type of thing that you can adapt, gain, and eventually you feel very confident because you have some particular knowledge, so partially you can automatically build. Okay. And either you can try to follow or try to do any type of work. It's like, it's not a copyright structure, it's a shadowing practice. When you try to follow someone, you can follow the same thing, same technique, same structure, is that means a shadowing practice. You can follow shadowing practice, it's a very important, not everyone else, but that was me, it's very important, very essential. So you can try to uh, shadowing practice, very important. Yeah, so you are beginner or you are intermediate level, so you can try to do this activity. Because when I was start my English journey, I was not able to speak English very easily. I don't understand English structure, English vocabulary, English phrases, no. I was totally blank, but I was just able to read English easily. So that's why I covered a lot of things, and gradually I'm trying to implement on my English journey. So that's why I thought, okay, let's share with my audience, with my viewers, and that will help you a lot. So that's why. So this technique you can utilize on your daily uses or daily English journey. So that will really helpful a lot. Okay, so if you like this video, so don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and meet you in the next video. Thank you.